Hello, kindergarten. It's Miss H again, and I'm here at the campground. And tonight's lesson is lesson 6. And we are going to go over mat number 7. Oh, there it is. In our phonemic awareness tonight. So here it is, mat number 7. Once again, we're going to be doing the beginning sounds. So beginning sounds, remember when you do this, if they're grasping it and you want to do some more, make sure it's a beginning sound card. You don't want to mix them up by doing it in one day and back to back doing an ending and a beginning. You know, we're 5 years old, let's take our time. All right, the next thing, I'm looking at my mat here, is 20 and 21 in your workbook. So we have 20, it's letter F. So you have the uppercase F and the lowercase f, and it is flower. In our phonics dance song that they will be doing when they start kindergarten with us, it says, Froggy loves flies. Froggy loves flies. And then we have 20 and 21. 21, they're going to practice writing F. And you've seen Miss Dove's video on pencil grip. I know I had one parent for sure asked me about that. Hers was a lefty. So right here, you're going to be tracing the flower, coloring the flower, and tracing the uppercase F and lowercase f. Also, the next thing you're going to do is the ABC hop that is in your Brain Quest book. It's on page 132. So it's the ABC hop. And it says to use sidewalk chalk and write the ABCs on it. And they can practice. It says to practice singing them. Now, we've already talked about singing. We already know that if a kid can sing their ABC song, that does not mean that they know these alphabet letters. So, if they're grasping it, then you can go from one to the other. You can say, hey, since you did F today, let's get on the F. Get on the F. Hop on the F. Show me the F. Show me the G. Show me the C. Mix and match it. If they're grasping it, make sure, though, that even if they're singing this, that they know these letters mixed up in a cards. Because if they don't know these letters, I mean, that's the foundation of this reading, guys, you know. And my hair looks awful. I'm sorry. We've been in the pool, and then it just rained. So, all right. Now, another thing that it asks you to do is to gather 10 groups of something. So, look what I've got. I have 10 marshmallows. Okay? So, when you do this, which it says you can get 10 anything, but I did marshmallows because of course we're camping. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here are my marshmallows. Let me make sure I got my camera where it needs to be. Okay, there's my marshmallows. Now I have these in kind of like a 10 frame because we'll be starting 10 frames. So 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. Make sure that when these kids are counting these, that they are having this 1-to-1 correspondence, okay? So you need to, because normally this is what the kid is going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. Even if you have 7. They'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They'll be done. That's not right. Make sure that they have this 1-to-1 correspondence. Slow and steady wins the race. So remember, the finger goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could do this with food like I have. Maybe when they count it, you can let them eat it. You can take away. You can add more to it. You can say, how many do I have now, and have them count. Okay? So you can do this many different ways. Once again, you know your child's level. But make sure that 1-to-1 correspondence is happening. Because let me tell you, that is going to be, that's going to be like Oh my Lord, this is crazy. Okay, that is going to be the only way that your kid is honestly going to learn how to count, is this one-to-one correspondence when they're 1, 2, 3. The more they do this, the better they're going to be. Another thing that we do in our classes is called subitizing. And I'm actually going to, because there's just really good ones from Jack Hartman that we do a lot. And we also have what they're called, we call them the plates. So we just have plates with dots, and then we'll flash them. And they literally look at it for 3 seconds. We pull it away, and they have to tell us how many. We usually start with like 0 to 1, 2, or 3. And then once they get better, we'll go up and go up and go up until we can get to 10. So I'm sorry that I'm here at the campground tonight and I went upside down on you and I went crazy. I'm sorry. But if you have any questions, just let us know. And once again, I'm going to post Jack Hartman as well for the subitizing, because that's a really fun video. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.